Meanwhile, political showdown also has escalated on this, and Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has slammed the Modi government's budget. This Union Budget 2024-25, Congress President Kharge has said, I quote an excerpt from his statement, "This is a disappointing budget," he's called it. It's meant only to save the government's chair because most of the chunk that has been announced for the alliance partner. Now, according to Kharge, the expectation was that MSP on crops, subsidy on pesticides would be announced. That hasn't been met. About accidents in the railway sector, that hasn't been addressed either, specifically with regard to passenger safety. Let's listen in then to elaborate comments coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge.
देखने के बाद ऐसा लगा कि उन्होंने दो मित्रों को खुश करने को छोड़ के दूसरे किसी को भी 140 करोड़ जनता को उन्होंने अलग रखा और दो मित्रों को उन्होंने साथ लेकर कुर्सी बचाने का काम किया है.
The first union budget for 2024-25 in the third term of Shri Narendra Modi ji government stands as a testament to India's commitment to inclusive growth, sustainable development and economic resilience. This visionary budget not only addresses the immediate needs of the nation, but also lays down a robust framework for a long-term prosperity, prioritizing infrastructure development, technological innovation, and social welfare. It paves the way for a more prosperous and equitable India. The budget's forward-looking policies and strategic investments are poised to accelerate growth, create jobs, and enhance the quality of life for all citizens.
And it appears that Nirmala Sitharaman has responded to all the allegations by the opposition party, specifically led by the Congress party. Nirmala Sitharaman has in fact said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been decided and has been put on this chair by the people. The opposition has no right to say that Prime Minister is saving his chair. The fact that this whole alliance, the India bloc, could not even put together 230 seats. It is people who put Narendra Modi on the chair and that he's not saving it by any way. So let's listen in now. This is what Nirmala Sitharaman, the finance minister, has said.
जिन इंडी अलायंस का मेंबर्स साथ होकर के भी 230 पार नहीं किया और जहां बीजेपी अकेला 240 तक पहुंचे और प्री इलेक्शन अलायंस के साथ आज सरकार तीसरी बार बनाए 37 पार्टीज कुल मिलाकर के 230 पार नहीं किया और वो बोल रहे हैं कुर्सी बचाने के लिए. कुर्सी बचाने वाले बात बोलने का अर्हत अधिकार उनके पास नहीं होता है.